कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं हिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Welcome, my friend. I sincerely thank you for giving me the most precious thing of your life, the time. Now, since you are here, let me share a very positive story with you so that the time given here gives you back something. আজ আমরা একজন রিয়েল লাইফ হিরোর কথা শুনব, যার কথা শুনে আপনি বিশ্বাস করবেন সত্যি নাথিং ইজ ইম্পসিবল। So, here it goes. The story is of a Hungarian gentleman called Károly Takács. Károly was an army man and a pistol shooter. He was a great pistol shooter of his time. The story starts in 1938. By that time, Károly has won all the national level championships of his country. He was so good at it that people were confident that Károly will win the gold medal in pistol shooting in 1940 Olympic. Károly was also practicing, developing himself so that he can live up to his countrymen's expectation. 1938 সালে when Károly was in army camp for some training, one day a faulty grenade exploded in his right hand. It damaged his right hand so badly that he was not in a position to use it anymore. He was hospitalized. He was there in the hospital for a month or so. হাসপাতাল থেকে ছাড়া পাওয়ার পরে Károly maintained a very low profile, away from public. কি করছেন, কোথায় আছেন, খুব একটা জানা যাচ্ছিল না। 1939 হাঙ্গেরির ন্যাশনাল শুটিং চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ চলছে। সবাই দেখলেন Károly সেই ইভেন্টে এসেছেন। People came forward to console him and also to appreciate him. They told him, "We appreciate that even after knowing you will not be able to participate, you are here to encourage us." Károly replied, "I am not here just to watch and encourage you. I am here to participate." To participate? কেউ বিশ্বাস করতে পারছিলেন না। Károly's right hand was damaged. He was not in a position to hold the pistol. Forget about shooting. The event started. When Károly's turn came, সবাইকে অবাক করে he took the pistol in his left hand and started shooting. Bullseye, hit after hit. সবাইকে পেছনে ফেলে Károly 1939 এর হাঙ্গেরির ন্যাশনাল শুটিং চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ জিতে নিলেন with his non-dominant hand. অবিশ্বাস্য। যারা দেখলেন তারা বিশ্বাস করতে পারছিলেন না। এক বছর Károly silently practiced and readied himself with his non-dominant hand, with his alternate hand. Unbelievable. So, Károly Takács was back with his level of accuracy. People were happy. He will be able to win the gold medal in 1940 Olympic. But then 1940 Olympic got cancelled due to Second World War. Okay, Károly told to himself, I'll wait. I'll compete in 1944 Olympic. I am not here to hang up my boots. 1944 Olympics also got cancelled due to Second World War. Now, this is going beyond the limit of positive thinking. By 1948, Carolee will be 38. He was born in 1910. 38 বছর বয়সে অলিম্পিক লেভেলের কম্পিটিশনে পার্টিসিপেট করা, দ্যাট টু উইথ নন ডমিনেন্ট হ্যান্ড, is not something one can imagine even. But Carolee waited and participated in 1948 Olympic. He participated and he won the gold medal with a world record. এতদিনের অপেক্ষা, finally he succeeded. A proud Carolee bent down to allow the gold medal around his neck. Carolee won the gold medal in 1952 Olympic as well in the same event. Carolee Takacs, a real life hero who refused to give up. That was Carolee Takacs for you. So, my dear friend, what we learned from this story? Stop blaming circumstances. If you think you can do it, you can do it. Carolee could have easily blamed his situation and could have easily said, my right hand is damaged. There is nothing I can do. But then what he did? He told to himself, let me not repent on what I don't have. Let me concentrate on what I have. I have my left hand. Let me try with that. 1 year silently he practiced and he made that happen. That is why it is said your body does what your mind believes. As Henry Ford said, if you think you can do a thing, or if you think you cannot do a thing, you are right. ক্যারলি যদি মনে করতেন তিনি পারবেন না, রাইট? ক্যারলি মনে করেছিলেন তিনি পারবেন, হি ওয়াজ রাইট। ভাগ্যের ওপর ছেড়ে দিয়ে, আশা ছেড়ে দিয়ে থেমে যাওয়া ইজ নট লাইফ। हाथों की लकीरों पे मत जाए गालिब, हाथों की लकीरों पे मत जाए गालिब, नसीब उनके भी होते हैं जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। माय डियर फ्रेंड, यू बिलीव यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू इट। যখনই মনে হবে আমি পারবো না, লিসেন টু দিস স্টোরি ওয়ান্স। ক্যারলি আমাদের মতন একজন রক্ত মাংসের মানুষ ছিলেন। He was no imaginary hero. This is not an imaginary story. He is a real life hero. যখনই মনে হবে আমি পারছি না, লিসেন টু পজিটিভ স্টোরিজ। আপনি পারবেন। You will be able to do it. Trust me, you will be able to do it. So, I hope I am able to give you positive energy. পজিটিভ থাকবেন, অলওয়েজ ভালো থাকবেন। ফিরে আসবো আরও একটা পজিটিভ স্টোরি নিয়ে। টিল দেন, গুড বাই, থ্যাংক ইউ।